Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Just how quiet is it inside a Tesla? Well, I was driving home from the airport on this fast stretch of road in Hong Kong. The speed limit is 110 kilometers per hour, and without any music from Spotify, I noticed it was pretty quiet and comfortable in my Tesla. But just how quiet is it? At the time, I was really just enjoying the comfortable ride in my Tesla Model S and didn't think about measuring the sound level. As you can see, I had Autopilot on and was just cruising along without a care in the world. I will now speed up the video up to the point where I started measuring the sound levels inside the Tesla. Now, a safety tip. Remember to always enable autopilot before you start checking your watch or playing with your phone while driving. The Apple Watch has a pretty decent noise level meter app, so I decided to measure the decibel level inside my Tesla cabin. You can see cars are overtaking me even though I am traveling slightly above the speed limit, and you can see I am also opening the app on my Apple Watch. So it's a good job that I have engaged autopilot. Traveling at 85 kilometers per hour, the sound level in my cabin is 61 decibels. The views from this drive from the airport back towards Hong Kong is really spectacular, don't you think? Please share your comments below. Please share your comments below if you like the view of Hong Kong from the 3 bridges that I will be crossing during this short drive. Here is the Tsing Ma Suspension Bridge. At the time of its opening in 1997, it was the second longest suspension bridge in the world. Now, over 26 years later, the Tsing Ma Bridge is only the 16th longest span suspension bridge in the world. Now that's global progress for you. For comparison, roadside noise levels is from 68 decibels to 78 decibels with traffic speeds at about 50 kilometers per hour. So the noise inside my Tesla is about 10 to 20 decibels lower than the roadside traffic noise in Hong Kong. And as you can see, it is relatively quieter in the Tesla cabin when traveling through a road tunnel, even at 83 kilometers per hour. It's quieter in the tunnel. The rain increases the cabin noise level to 69 decibels. Here from Stonecutters Bridge, the views of Hong Kong and Kowloon is really spectacular, don't you think? Now, I'm approaching a stretch of road which always, well, at least in the past 3 years, has always had autopilot problems. I've told Tesla Hong Kong about this issue several times already, but they always reply that it's a software update solution. But it's been 3 years already and it's still an issue. You will see that I have enabled autopilot and then the Tesla will suddenly slow down. That's when I have to put my foot on the accelerator to keep the car traveling at the speed limit. The warning on my dash says auto steer has been disabled, but this is confusing because the Tesla is still steering itself on the road. The only thing not working with the autopilot engaged is the correct cruising speed. So there's definitely a glitch in the system because with autopilot engaged, the speed decreases and the warning I get is that auto steer is disabled, whereas in reality, autopilot is working because of the automatic steering. However, it is the cruising speed that is turned off. What do you think is happening here? Please share your comments below. Thank you. So I'm on my way home to park the car, and I guess it's not as noisy as anyone from outside of Hong Kong would think it would be driving in Hong Kong. In fact, you will see that the decibel levels is really low once I have parked the Tesla. At 38 decibels, it is so quiet in here, and it is one of the reasons why, during COVID's social distancing times, I chose to bring my laptop and work here in my Tesla. It's such a nice, quiet, and comfortable place to be, don't you think? Please share your comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.